Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're looking to add a registration form to your Wix website, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you step by step through the process of creating your own customized sign-up form. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a registration system tailored to your needs, perfect for gathering information, building your community, or just making your site more interactive. Let's dive right in. First things first, head over to your Wix website design dashboard. You'll want to make sure you're logged into your Wix account and have your site open in the editor. Think of this dashboard like the cockpit of an airplane. It's where you control everything about how your site looks and works. Take a second here to look around the interface just so you're comfortable with where things are. Once you're in, pay attention to the left-hand side of your screen. There you'll see the Pages and Menu option. This is essentially where Wix keeps all the different pieces of your website organized, sort of like a filing cabinet. Go ahead and select Pages and Menu. This is important because you want to choose where your registration form will appear. Maybe it's on a dedicated sign-up page or embedded somewhere else. If you're not sure, you can always move it later, so don't stress. Next, look for the Sign Up and Login menu item. Wix offers built-in user management tools, and this is where all things user registration happen. Click Sign Up and Login. It might feel like you're flipping over to another chapter in your site design book. Wix will present you with a default registration form, but if you want your site visitors to feel truly welcomed and understood, customizing this form is the key. Now you'll see an option for the default form. You could stick with it, but I recommend you click to change it to a custom form. Customization lets you adapt the registration process to match your brand or collect specific information you need. For example, maybe you're running a club and need new members, birth dates, or you're organizing an event and want to know their t-shirt size. Switching to a custom form gives you that flexibility. Don't worry if you haven't used Wix Forms before. The interface guides you through the options and you can preview how things look as you go. Once you've set up your custom fields, click Add to Site. This is a big moment. It's the action that actually connects your new sign-up form to your website. Wix will generate the form right on your page, and you'll see it appear ready for visitors to use. Take a breath and feel free to add additional fields if you need more details from your users. Each field is like a question you're asking, so think about what would be helpful for you and welcoming for them. When it comes to the look and feel of your form, you can start editing the alignment or the column layout. Maybe you want the form to stretch across the page or sit neatly in the center. Experiment here. Wix makes it easy to drag things into place or swap between single and multi-column formats. If something doesn't look right, give yourself permission to adjust it until you're happy. There's also an opportunity to change the background fill. This small touch can make a big difference. Think of it as the backdrop to your welcome mat. Whether you want a solid color, a subtle gradient, or even an image, Wix lets you control every detail so your registration form matches your site's unique vibe. Once you've filled in all the details and are satisfied with how it looks and feels, that's really it. Your registration form is set up and ready to go. Pause here to preview your site, maybe even run a test registration so you know everything works perfectly. Remember, you can always tweak things later, so don't worry if you want to adjust or add fields down the road. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please hit that like button, leave a comment below if you have any questions or need more tips, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple, effective tutorials to power up your Wix site. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.